The Ram 1500 electronic throttle control system represents a major advancement from traditional mechanical throttle cables. When you see the lightning bolt warning light, it indicates a malfunction in this critical drive-by-wire system. The lightning bolt symbol on your dashboard is the electronic throttle control warning light. When illuminated, it signals that the system has detected a fault and may limit your vehicle's performance for safety. The electronic throttle control system consists of three main components working together. The accelerator pedal position sensor detects your foot input, the powertrain control module processes this information, and the electronic throttle body controls the actual airflow to the engine. Modern Ram trucks use dual accelerator pedal position sensors for safety. These redundant sensors ensure that if one fails, the backup sensor maintains system operation, preventing complete throttle loss. The lightning bolt warning activates when the powertrain control module detects problems. This includes sensor voltage discrepancies, communication errors between components, mechanical failures, or power supply issues. Electrical connections are particularly critical to system operation. When a fault is detected, the system activates limp mode as a safety feature. This limits engine RPM to approximately 2,000, allowing you to drive to safety or a repair facility, but preventing potential engine damage from uncontrolled throttle operation. Chrysler has extended warranty coverage for electronic throttle control components on 2014 through 2019 Ram 1500 models due to recurring issues. If you own one of these vehicles and experience ETC problems, check with your dealer about potential warranty coverage. Understanding your Ram's electronic throttle control system helps you recognize when problems occur. The lightning bolt warning indicates system faults, limp mode protects your engine, and warranty coverage may be available for certain model years. When the lightning bolt warning appears on your Ram 1500, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. First, connect an OBD2 scanner to read the specific fault codes. This diagnostic tool will provide precise error codes that pinpoint the exact component causing the problem. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection. Examine all connectors for corrosion or damage, check wiring for wear or breaks, and inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup or mechanical issues. Test the voltage readings from the accelerator pedal position sensor and throttle position sensor. After completing repairs, always clear the fault codes and perform a test drive to verify the fix. Prevention is key to avoiding ETC system failures. Regular maintenance and proper protection can significantly extend system life and prevent costly repairs. Perform annual throttle body cleaning and inspection. Remove carbon buildup and check for proper operation. This simple maintenance can prevent many common issues. Protect electrical connectors in harsh conditions. Proper sealing prevents moisture infiltration and corrosion, which are major causes of ETC system failures. Always use OEM or equivalent quality replacement parts. Cheap aftermarket components often fail prematurely and can cause additional system problems. Understanding common failure patterns helps with diagnosis. The accelerator pedal position sensor accounts for 42% of ETC failures, followed by throttle body issues at 31%. For complex ETC system problems, professional diagnosis is recommended. Experienced technicians have specialized tools and knowledge to accurately identify issues and prevent unnecessary part replacements.